Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Look at this cute little dress. Let's make it using craft paper. As you can see, we're going to fold this pink color of craft paper. First, we are making the shirt shape and look, it's ready. Let's make the jacket and the skirt as well. We are using this printed paper. Now fold it and then it's ready. Put the shirt paper inside it and it's done. Now keep it aside. We are making the skirt now. Take another piece of paper, make multiple fold and again we are going to pull it down and make this shape by pulling the paper from the sides. Combine both of them and look, it is ready. Here we're going to take this craft paper and fold it from the top and bottom. We are folding it from the diagonals, open it and make the crease. Here we're going to make the box. So fold it again and look, it's ready. Keep it aside. Now we're going to make the lid. So take another piece of paper and start folding it. Look how we're doing here in this video. Fold it from the diagonals, then from its side. Press it and it's ready. Now we're going to simply put it on the top of the box and look, it's done. Now we're also adding 3 black strips, cover it and it's done. Let's make this cool paper swan box. You can put small items inside. You can also gift it to your friends. Here we're going to take this piece of paper and fold it from the corners. Again fold it like we're doing here in this video. We're going to make the box first. So finally tuck the paper inside, hold it and it's ready. Now take another piece of paper and fold it from the corners. Here we're going to make the swan shape. So keep folding it from the sides and then flip it over and again fold it. Look how we are doing here in this video. Hold it from top and bottom, make the beak and look, it is ready. Let's learn how you can make it. As you can see, we're going to take this square paper and fold it like this. Here we're going to make the multiple pleats by folding it from top and bottom. Now we're going to fold it from the sides and look, twist it and then we're going to fold it again. After this, we're going to make 12 such pieces and then we're going to tuck all of them one after another. As you can see, we're going to take 3 pieces and make the corner of the cube. Similarly, we're going to keep adding more such papers and start making the corners. Tuck the paper inside like we're doing here in this video. Hold it from the sides and as you can see, the cube is almost ready. We are going to add more these designs on the corner and tuck them inside and look, it's ready. Finally, we're going to cover it from the top as well and look, your beautiful decor piece is ready. You can use it as home decoration as well. It's a perfect gift for your friends. So yeah, you can play with it. Let's make these beautiful colorful star shapes. So we are going to take this printed paper, fold it into half, then fold it from the top and cut it. When you open it, you will get this pentagon shape. After this, we're going to fold it from the corners as well. And look, you will see a mini shape at the center. Hold it from that corners and keep pressing it. Look how we are doing here in this video. After pressing, we are going to again fold it from the corners and look how we are going to give it shape by holding it. Now pull it from the center part and look, your beautiful star shape is ready. Do the same from the back side as well and look, it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video.